How to use our budget top dead center tool. We do also have other ones that are more better quality, but this will do the job. First of all, you need to screw the tool into your head. Piston you want to be at the very top, which you can do by moving with your pulley so it goes up and down, but make sure you get it right to the very top. Once it's at the top, you then screw in this piece to be touching the top of the piston. Now, once you've done that, you then would look at the top. We have a marking on here. Now, if we loosen off, keep the marking where it is, loosen off this bit. Don't forget you've got your piston under there. Move your piston back down. Turn this clockwise. One turn will be 1 mil. Another half turn will be half a mil. For example, 1.5 millimeters. Then when your piston goes up, you can set your points at exactly 1.5 mil below top dead center. I hope this video helps you. Please do come to Classic Moped Spares. Have a look at more products.